2025 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. This truck delivers style and convenience as well as performance. It brings drivers and passengers many levels of convenience with its side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, four-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel. This is a top-rated dealer. Call today to speak to any of our sales associates.